Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 turn off keyboard sound. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your accessibility, and after doing this step find out a keyboard and click on a keyboard. Go to your notification preferences and make sure that the play a sound when turns key is make sure that is unchecked. So if it's checked, then uncheck it and go back. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a on screen keyboard. Open on screen keyboard, go to your options and make sure that use click sound is turned off. If it's checked, then uncheck it and click on OK and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a registry editor. Open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After doing this test, select the H key current user and expand it. Select the After that select the software and expand it. And after that select the Microsoft and expand it. After doing this test, scroll down and find out a tablet tip. Select and expand it and select a 1.7. After doing this test, right click, click on a new and set a default 32-bit value and set a name is enable key audio feedback. So set a name is enable key audio feedback. Make sure that enable key audio feed the first word is in capital letters. After that open it and make sure that you value data is 0 and press OK button. After that close the registry editor, go back and close it. After doing this step, restart your computer. After restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.